Hello everyone, this is Kapil Sharma from Upbright Skills. I'm here with a new video on Wazoo. So today we will see how we can go and monitor AWS services using Wazoo. So in Wazoo, there is a feature for monitoring AWS services. We can monitor different AWS services. You can go to AWS documentations and you can see which are the supported services and how we can configure that. So here I am there on Wazoo documentation in latest version of 4.0. Here you can see the Wazoo module for AWS provides capability to monitor AWS services. Each of sections below contains detailed instructions to configure and set up all the supported services and also the required Wazoo configurations to collect the logs. So using this, what you can do is you can collect the logs from different AWS services which are supported, and you can analyze those logs in Wazoo. By analyzing those logs, you can go analyze those logs, and you can go and create different Kibana dashboards for monitoring purpose. So we will see which are the different supported services. The, so here you can see there are a list of services. Here you can find AWS CloudTrail, Amazon VPC, Amazon Config, Amazon KMS, Messi, Trusted Advisor, GuardDuty, Web Application Firewall, WAF, Inspector, CloudWatch Logs, and Cisco Umbrella. So these are the different services which are being supported. You can go and capture the logs of these services and you can analyze those logs in Wazoo. So when you go and click on this, you will find different instructions for different AWS services. Here you can see AWS CloudTrail. So CloudTrail is a service where you can use this service for auditing purpose. So this will log each and every API calls which is happening in your AWS account. Everything will be logged in AWS CloudTrail, and that trail can be stored in S3 bucket, and that S3 bucket can be a path of your Wazoo server, and from there it can capture all the logs. It can go and analyze those logs and give you a nice analysis of those cloud trails or cloud logs. Same way, you can go to AWS config, and here in config section you can go and see. Same way, you can go and store your AWS config logs in one of the specific bucket, and that bucket can be a path for your Wazoo server from where it can fetch all the logs and give you a nice analysis. So all the instructions are listed here. You can follow these instructions and you can configure your Wazoo services to analyze your AWS logs. So same way, there are different logs. You can go and analyze your VPC flow logs. So all the traffic which is coming in and out, everything can be captured. Whatever activity you are doing with your VPC, everything can be captured. AWS config, KMS, that is key management services, Amazon KMS. So whatever key management services you are using, whatever, if you are creating a new key, master key, you can, where you are using it, how you are using it, everything will be logged, and that can be one of your logging parameter. Amazon Messi. Amazon Messi is a security service that uses machine learning to automatically discover, classify, protect sensitive data in AWS. So same way, create AWS bucket. All the logs will be stored in the bucket, and from that bucket, your Wazoo server will capture those logs and it will give you a nice analysis. Go to Trusted Advisor. Trusted Advisor is again an online resource to help users reduce the cost, increase the performance, improve your security by optimizing their AWS environment. Trusted Advisor also provides a real-time guidance to help users provisions their resources following AWS practices. So again, the same thing we need to follow. Create AWS bucket and analyze those logs. Then AWS GuardDuty. So GuardDuty is a services which is helping us in threat detections. So it is a threat detection service that continuously monitor for malicious or unauthorized behavior to help you protect your AWS account and the workload. It monitors for activities such as unusual API calls or potential unauthorized deployments that indicates a possible account compromise. GuardDuty also detects potential compromise instances or recurrence by attackers. So again, the same thing, you can create an S3 bucket and you can get analysis from your Wazoo server. Then there is a service called WAF, which is a web application firewall. You can attach this WAF to your different web applications, and you can capture the logs in a AWS S3 bucket, and same S3 bucket can be used for analyzing your logs in Wazoo. Then AWS Inspector. AWS Inspector is an automated security assessment service that helps improve the security and compliance of applications deployed on AWS. Inspector automatically assesses the applications for exposures, vulnerabilities, and deviations from best practices. After performing an assessment, Amazon Inspector produces a detailed list of security findings, prioritized by levels of severity. These findings can be reviewed directly or as a part of detailed assessment report, which are available via Amazon Inspector, console, or API. So again, the same thing, you can enable this inspector logs, you can analyze those logs in your Wazoo server. So Amazon CloudWatch. So CloudWatch is a service that allows users to centralize the logs from all their systems, applications, and AWS services in a single place. So you can collect all the logs, and this can be one of the service you can use for centralized logging, and that log can be captured or stored somewhere in S3 bucket, and that S3 bucket can be used for analyzing your logs. So these are all the services which are being supported in terms of monitoring in Wazoo. You can go and select your services which you want to monitor. You can see the different parameters which are already listed here, and the step-by-step guidance is available in Wazoo documentation. You can follow this and you can configure your monitoring in Wazoo. There is one video which I have already created for CloudTrail events. You can follow that video and you can configure CloudTrail monitoring in Wazoo, and same way you can configure different supported services of VPC, and you can monitor that things in Wazoo server. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you. I hope you like it. Please do share, like, comment if you have any questions, and do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any recommendations or if you have any inputs, please do share. And thank you, guys.